Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. Today I'm going to be making a Canadian sweet treat called chocolate confetti. This recipe is from a friend. What you will need: 57 grams of baking butter, approximately 175 grams of chocolate buttons, 296 grams of chocolate spread or peanut butter, 250 grams of marshmallows. The first thing you want to do is put your chocolate spread into a microwavable bowl. Now add your butter into the bowl. Then microwave for 1 minute or until the chocolate and butter has melted. Now mix together the melted butter and the chocolate spread. Add in your chocolate buttons to the warm mixture and mix together until the mixture turns slightly thick. You also want to make sure there are no lumps of chocolate buttons left. Now pour your marshmallows into a bowl and break them apart if you need to. Then add your chocolate mixture and mix well. Now take an 8x8 tin or silicone tray and place your mixture and spread it so it covers the tin or silicone tray. Now put it in the fridge for 2 hours to set. Once set, you can cut it into 12 pieces or small bite sizes. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, like, subscribe and turn on that notification bell.